What's up you guys, welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. If you are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful butterfly theme box. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay you guys, so let's get started. Here are the things you are going to need. 6 strawberries, make sure they're super clean and dry. Mini cupcake liners, and then this happy birthday fondant embosser. I will be putting the link down below in the description box. This breakable molds, and then these beautiful butterflies, they're super cute. And then this rolling pin, fondant rolling pin. And then white fondant, candy coloring by Color Mill in the color lavender, candy, and lilac, I don't know, but white chocolate, one for your breakable and one for your strawberries, and toothpicks. Okay, so moving on, we want 3 parts of fondant. One will be lavender, the other one will be colored candy, and the last one will be colored in lilac, whatever you want to call it. So this was the first time I tried this fondant embosser, and it just didn't work the first try. But the second try, it worked a little better. But then on the third time, it came out really perfect. You guys will see. If you guys noticed, but the happy is not showing a lot, so that's why I kept trying and trying. But the third one, it came out really good. So basically the trick to using these type of embossers, you have to literally press down really hard so the words can really show. Also, you want to do this process very carefully, because if you stretch it out a lot, it will look a little weird. I don't know about you guys, but I really enjoy working with fondant. It's so satisfying. Comment down below if you agree. This one came out way better. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. The top one, the happy, doesn't show that much, and the bottom one, it does. So yeah, so if you are using this type of embossers, make sure you are pressing down really hard, because you want those words to show. Okay, so once your chocolate is fully melted, you can go ahead and color it. We will be using the color candy. I'm super happy about this mold. It's super cute and super easy to use. I can't wait for you guys to try it out. I already created 2 breakables with this mold, and they turn out really, really cute. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, you guys should give me a follow at Sprinkle Sugar Pop. So the reason why you see light pink is because I wanted to create a marbled effect, but for some reason it just didn't work out. I don't know why. Okay, so after this step, go ahead and pop your mold in the fridge for a couple minutes until your chocolate hardens. Meanwhile, our breakable is in the fridge. We are going to start dipping our strawberries. So we have here 3 parts of chocolate. One will be colored in lavender, the other one in candy, and the last one in lilac. To get a perfect dip, you want to get all the leaves, and also you don't want your chocolate to be too runny or hot. Sometimes you will get bubbles on your strawberries, and that's totally normal. You can go ahead and pop them with a toothpick, and also don't be too harsh on yourself because we will be drizzling our strawberries with chocolate, so the drizzle will cover those ugly bubbles. So the reason why I've been MIA here on YouTube was because I was working on 3 online classes. I don't know if you guys know, but I already launched them. One of them is my homemade caramel apple class, where I teach you guys how to cook my homemade caramel step by step, and I give you guys tricks and tips and motivational stuff. Also, I have a edible image printing guide where I tell you guys what printer I'm using, what ink I'm using, what paper I'm using, and I tell you guys how to install or like set up your printer step by step. And not only will you learn how to use or where to get the printer, you can also sell edible images, you guys. If you guys are interested, that's like another side hustle in a way. And for the third one, it's not a class, it's a one-on-one online coaching session where we will be talking about your business, ways how to improve your business, things that you can do better, and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much what I have going on right now. If you guys are interested, I will be putting the links down below. If you guys want to sign up, I highly recommend to sign up because you will learn very juicy good things. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, send me a DM on Instagram at Sprinkle Sugar Pop, and I will be more than happy to help and answer your questions. Our breakable is ready for a second layer. I like to focus on the edges first because I don't like my edges to be too thin, or else it will break if you try lifting it up to add stuff or whatever. So yeah, just try to add a lot of chocolate on the edges, and then the rest of the chocolate just go ahead and add it in the middle. Once you're done, go ahead and pop it in the fridge for a couple minutes until your chocolate hardens. Since the chocolate is fully hardened, we can go ahead and start demolding our breakable. You want to go ahead and start pinching the sides. almost done, you guys. So for this box, I decided to go with marshmallows, mini marshmallows instead of shredded paper, just because we are doing a butterfly theme. So I feel like the marshmallows will give it more like a dreamy type of vibe, and I was not wrong because the box came out super cute with the mini marshmallows. For this step, I forgot to add chocolate, so don't forget to add chocolate or else your fondant will move and you don't want that. So I decided to add glitter to the Breakable because it looks a little bit too plain for me. So glitter gave it a little pop. Now it's time to decorate our box with these beautiful butterflies, and no, these butterflies are not edible, so let your customers know. We are finally done, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and for being patient with me. I haven't uploaded a video in a very long time because I was working on my online classes, but I am back. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any future videos. Also, if you recreate this box, please tag me on Instagram so I can share your guys' work. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. See you on my next video. God bless.